Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use TCGPlayer to price check Pokemon cards. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first I'll actually get the name of the Pokemon and the card number. So if at your local card shop you see a Latios 203, I'll copy that. And then I'll go to tcgplayer.com and I'll just simply copy and paste it. Next, what you're going to do is that you want to find the exact card. So click on it here. Now don't keep in mind the $13. You can see here that this says $42. But what you're actually going to do next is that you want to scroll down to where it says 3-month snapshot and then click on view more data. So as you can see here on March 25th or March 5th to 2025, this card has been selling for $40 to $41 to $46 to $37 at a lightly played condition. So you want to keep in mind the condition. This one here is near mint hollow foil. This one here is lightly played hollow foil. But that right there is the best and easiest way to get an idea and get a price check of a Pokemon card using TCGPlayer. So you can get an idea that this card has been selling for like $40 plus basically. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and price check a Pokemon card using TCGPlayer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.